So I'm staying at Iniala Beach House in Thailand, and I'm just going to show you around my room. And so the first thing you see, there's no escaping me, is this big bank of mirrors, which is your wardrobe space. I don't think I've ever been in a room with so much wardrobe space, but there we are. So this first one just has hangers, your umbrellas, your indoor and outdoor slippers, beach bag, and lots of drawers. And then there's this little rack if you wanted to hang stuff. And then the next set is kind of smaller drawers. And they're all kind of leather lined and quite heavy. And then down here you've got your safe. And then this last set has your bathrobes and hair dryer and even more drawers. And then next to it you've got the toilet, which looks onto the bath and shower. And has another mirror in case there wasn't enough. So this is the actual shower. It's a rain shower with grown alchemist toiletries. And then you've got the bath with, very important, bath salts. And then here you've got a little laundry basket for your used towels and possibly the best amenities kit I've ever seen. So you've got the usual cotton balls, cotton buds, some shaving foam, but also proper razors. Look at that. Shower cap, bamboo comb, and then in here you've just got the dental kit. We've got a double sink here next to what is probably the most extravagant dressing table. Look at this rose. And then here's the other side of that dressing table. And let me just show you next to the wardrobe. Another whole space with your laundry bag if you need it. And then your mini bar with soft drinks. We've got the very quirky designed bed with a headboard that actually changes colour. but it does it quite subtly. A little stationery station. And I'm just gonna give you a quick peek of the views. So this room opens straight out to the pool and the beach. And then you can see we've got a little fruit trolley and some quite extravagant furniture. And that's my little beach house.
Subscribe to Culture Explorer to see the latest videos.